this. This is what I usually do for whenever that check engine light pops up. It's been working, so if it works, beats replacing $100, $200 sensor. So we're just gonna dump this whole thing in here. Like so. Fill it up. All right, boys, so we're gonna do like 15 gallons because it says an ounce per gallon, and it was like 15 ounces in that can. So yeah, so go ahead and put some gas in. And as y'all can see, boys, it was instant, literally. I got in here, started the car, check engine light's gone. This guy is my witness.
Mileage is still the same.
Mileage is still the same. If y'all go back in the video, look at the mileage. I didn't move. I'm still at the pump. I was still the last one to pump, y'all. Look, it was instant. So, yeah, those of you that don't believe in Seafoam out there, give it a try. It worked for me. So, and not sponsored or anything by Seafoam, y'all. So, just to give you guys a pointer out there. What's going on, boys? So, yeah, we get that check engine light from time to time in the Infiniti. Whenever we get gas at anywhere that's not an Exxon. It's crazy. I don't know if any of you out there experienced the same issue before, but it's crazy. But yeah, if we're out and it's kind of like an emergency thing to get home, we snag up some fuel, a couple gallons somewhere, never fails, goes to check engine light every time. I don't know, it's weird, but Seafoam, there's a lot of people out there. You know, I was talking to my big brother earlier on the phone. Shout out, what's up, big bro, Angel? But anyways, I was talking to him on the phone earlier, and he said that somewhere he heard or seen that Seafoam wasn't good or whatever, and hey, that might be the case for some of y'all out there, and that might be the case, I don't know. But it's always tended to work for me. I hope I'm not destroying my engine. But yeah, it's always worked in the Infiniti. It's the only car that we have that has that type of problem. But anyway, this is just part of the video for the day. That's the first issue we had to get taken care of, and as y'all can see, mission accomplished. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the oil changed on that thing, and I haven't done it yet on the channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it done on the channel this time. So, you know, maybe somebody out there has got an Infiniti like ours or whatnot. It's an Infiniti QX60, 2015. So I don't know, maybe it helps somebody out there. I don't know, maybe people just like to check in on me and see what I'm doing. Hey, I appreciate you. Smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I appreciate you. But yeah, we're gonna get the coupe pulled out of the building, and I'm gonna get the Infiniti brought in to get this oil change up and rolling. So let's get it, boys. What's going on, boys? So yeah, we get that check engine light from time to time in the Infiniti. Whenever we get gas at anywhere that's not an Exxon. It's crazy. I don't know if any of you out there experienced the same issue before, but it's crazy. But yeah, if we're out and it's kind of like an emergency thing to get home, we snag up some fuel, couple gallons somewhere. Never fails, throws the check engine light every time. I don't know, it's weird, but Seafoam, there's a lot of people out there. You know, I was talking to my big brother earlier on the phone. Shout out, what's up, big bro, Angel? But anyways, I was talking to him on the phone earlier, and he said that somewhere he heard or seen that Seafoam wasn't good or whatever, and hey, that might be the case for some of y'all out there, and that might be the case, I don't know. But it's always tended to work for me. I hope I'm not destroying my engine. But yeah, it's always worked in the Infiniti, and it's the only car that we have that has that type of problem. But anyway, this is just part of the video for the day. That's the first issue we had to get taken care of, and as y'all can see, mission accomplished. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the oil changed on that thing, and I haven't done it yet on the channel, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it done on the channel this time. So, you know, maybe somebody out there has got an Infiniti like ours or whatnot. It's an Infiniti QX60, 2015. So I don't know, maybe it helps somebody out there. I don't know, maybe people just like to check in on me and see what I'm doing. Hey, I appreciate you. Smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I appreciate you. But yeah, we're gonna get the coupe pulled out of the building, and I'm gonna get the Infiniti brought in to get this oil change up and rolling. So let's get it, boys. So first mission first. We're gonna knock that drain plug right there loose on the Infiniti. So this is my first time doing it, so I'm learning with y'all. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knock that plug loose and let this thing start draining, and then we'll be back. All right, guys, so like I was saying earlier, 2015 Infiniti QX60. It's my wife's daily. When I'm home, it's what I drive on a regular. It's dirty right now, but I know y'all see that drip. Brembo brake covers. Faking on y'all, but oh well, they look good. But anyways, boys, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the oil drained and be back with y'all. All right, guys, so I believe it's a 14. I'm gonna try with this wrench, see if I can get it with just this little wrench. Might be going the wrong way with it. Damn. That thing's tight as fuck. Y'all seen it? What in the hell? Let me get the right, I'm gonna get a socket on this thing, boys. I'll be right back with y'all. All right, boys. So if I didn't have it on film, nobody'd ever believe it. But anyway, got that thing somewhat broken loose with my impact. After I tried with the wrench, I guess that's that rice and beans, boys. If you know, you know. But yeah, boys, here we go. Kind of made a mess, but it's all good. It's all on the tarp. And I'm gonna go on and get this thing off the jack stands so it's all leveled, because I do believe that's the way you're supposed to really do it. So get this bolt cleaned off and I'll be back with y'all. Y'all can see getting down to the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these jack stands up and get it set on its wheels so it's even all over. And let it keep draining while I go in and grab a bite to eat. All right, guys. So now y'all can see it stopped dripping. Our next mission is that oil filter right there. The easiest way to get it from what I've seen is through here. So you kind of just move this paneling out the way like so. And get up in there and get it. So I'm gonna get that done. All right, so just so y'all can see how easy this is, here's that little flap that I tell y'all to move. And so we just gonna move this flap kind of back out the way, and we're gonna go left. Just give it a shot. There it is, boys. There it is already. Thank God. I didn't know how this was gonna go, boys, but as y'all can see, everything's going just fine. And not talking crap on QV motors, or VQ motors, I mean, Infiniti, because my brother-in-law, Bobby, shout out to my brother-in-law. He's an Infiniti fan. He's an Infiniti man. He's got a monster coming soon. I will be getting a review on that thing on the channel, boys. It's gonna be coming back with 800 horsepower, maybe more. So, but not talking crap, but this is a Terrible design, if you ask me, my opinion. But anyway, yeah, because it makes a mess. But anyway, gonna go ahead and let that shit drain for a while. And then I'll be back here shortly when it's time to put the new filter on and add the new oil. I'll let you boys see what I'm using. So. Now that we down to almost just drips, we're gonna go ahead and start getting ready to put the new stuff back in and on. All right, guys, so this is the oil we're going with. 0W20, full synthetic. That's what the vehicle calls for. It's full synthetic, so that's what we stick to. And the K&N filter, honestly, it was a bonus. It was with the deal my wifey got at Advanced Auto in Harrisonburg, Virginia. But anyway, she got a deal. It was like a combination deal. You get this and this for I don't know how much. Sorry, I wish I had a number for you boys. But anyway, that's what we're going with on this oil change. So, yeah. All right, guys. So, I got it 3/4 of the way full as it calls for. Just gonna go ahead and put this bitch back on. So, see what happens. Terrible design, like I said, boys. Sorry, not trying to offend anybody. That's a VQ motor lover, Infiniti lover, because we are too, obviously. But I don't like the way they set this oil filter up over here. And then it's like, excuse me, you're supposed to fill it up 3/4 of the way and put it back on that way, but I don't know how they expect you to keep it full, if you know what I mean. Like, you gotta tilt it in there, and I don't know, it's just funky design, if you ask me, but just gonna give it a little torque. And that's good, boys. So, as y'all can see, new K&N filter on there. And now it's just time to add the new oil to it. So, no more snow. All right, guys, so time to add the oil. I'm not sure exactly how much oil this thing takes. It's my first time doing the oil change on it, like I said, so we're gonna get this thing on the floor. That way we get an accurate measurement. Right now it's up on jack stands, so I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing put back on the floor, and then we'll go with, we'll start adding this oil in. So let's be right back with y'all. All right, guys, so I got it put back on the ground. Now we're just gonna go ahead and go in with these quarts of oil. I kind of got a puny funnel. But gets the job done. I got other funnels around here somewhere, but not sure where they're at right now at the moment. So we're just gonna use this little puny thing here and hope that we don't make no mess. I got tons of funnels around here, but it's kind of the first one I found. So went ahead and cleaned it up with some awesome. And yeah, boys. So it feels like about 4 quarts. I'm gonna go on and check the oil now before I add more. I don't want to overfill it. But, let's see what we got. This thing is funky as hell. Where the dipstick goes. And I'm half blind. So, gotta put some light on it. And as y'all can see, we've put in right about 4 quarts, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're almost down to 1, so. So I'm gonna put 4 quarts in it for now. Check this level again. See what we got. Oof, making a mess. Damn it. I don't like it. See what reading we get now, guys. It's showing full, so I'm gonna leave it right there. Pull it out of here, maybe later on take it to some level ground and check it and see if I gotta add any more. Because it might take all 5 quarts, I'm not 100% sure. It's my first time doing this, guys, so. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for the oil change for the Infiniti, guys. Just like that. Usually my homeboy Edward down the street, he does my oil changes for me. But he's kind of wrapped up right now. You know, he runs a business too, so I understand how that goes. So he wasn't able to do this change for us, but we got it done. So, yeah, guys. Oil change is done. Made a little mess, so Going to get that cleaned up. I need to get this engine bay sprayed and washed. In the summer, I keep it clean, but winter time, so. It drives me crazy, but now we can do about the weather, so. But yeah, boys. Also, boys, just wanted to add in there, did a little research, had the wife look it up, and it takes 5.1 quarts. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with this whole 5-quart jug that I bought, so which is right here. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of that and be done with this oil change. I'll be back with y'all. But yeah, guys, gonna be tearing down the interior of the Honda Civic Coupe. Going to be taking down all the interior plastics so I can remove the headliner, and me and the wife are going to do the headliner the way we did our door panels, in black and red, or red with the black netting. We're going to do the headliner like that, so definitely stay tuned. The video that's going to be dropping here soon. Oh, excuse me, it's probably going to be a couple different sessions, this video for the headliner, because I'm gonna have to get the car tore down on the interior first and then lower the headliner, and then episode 2 will probably be reupholstering the headliner, putting the new material down, and then maybe part 3 will be putting it back together, putting all the interior back together. So that's our next mission. But yeah, boys, stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. It'll help the channel like you wouldn't believe. And God bless you all, love you all. And also want to put this out there. The link's going to be in the description below. My son, Lil Jerry, he's the one that is making my beats now that I've been using on my last few videos. At least my last 2 videos, I've been using his beats. So go check him out. The link will be in the description. And appreciate you all, and God bless y'all. Catch y'all on the next one, boys. We out.